English brain collection. No-brainer, brain drain, brainwave, brain like a sieve, to rack your brain. No-brainer. The term no-brainer is often used in casual conversations to describe situations where the choice or decision is so obvious that it doesn't require any further consideration or analysis. With such a great offer on the table, accepting the job was a no-brainer. Brain drain. It is often used to describe the loss of talented professionals from a particular area or industry, which can have negative consequences for the economy and society as a whole. The term brain drain is often used in the context of developing countries or regions. The company is struggling with a brain drain as many of its top executives are retiring or leaving for other firms. Brainwave. It is often used to describe a moment of inspiration or creativity, where a person suddenly comes up with a clever or unique solution to a problem or challenge. I just had a brainwave and now I feel more motivated to finish this project. Brain like a sieve. This idiom is used to describe someone who has poor memory and is forgetful. It implies that the person's brain is full of holes through which important information easily escapes. I'm sorry, I completely forgot about our appointment today. My brain is like a sieve these days. To rack your brain. The phrase rack your brain comes from the image of a torture device called a rack, which stretches a person's body in order to extract information. In the case of the idiom, it is used metaphorically to describe the mental strain of trying to recall information or solve a problem. The team has been racking their brains for weeks to come up with a new marketing strategy, but so far, nothing seems to be working.